Hi guys, I'm just showing you how I created my living wall. So I purchased a whole bunch of these green living chunks. They came in a pack of 10, I believe is what it was. But first I stuck down a bit of a green backdrop with some vinyl. So obviously my dog really wants to keep it as a bed, but it's going to go up on the wall. Although I'm thinking I'm going to need a living little chunk for him on the floor. But anyways, I measured it all out and kind of pre-planned with all the chunks, made it into a few different shapes. I decided I wanted a TV in the middle, so I could change the backdrop. So it's going to be my new filming area. I threw some sparkle lights over top. The green pieces basically fit into each other, almost like Lego bricks all the way across. So you have to clip those in, but it was super easy to set up. I love how it turned out. Definitely recommend setting one up in your home if you want to update your backdrop or filming areas.